Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to download a Wattpad story. So there's actually two ways of getting around this. Many new ways got blocked due to Wattpad's shitty policies. The first way is, this is probably the easiest, is to go in Firefox, get your story. I'm gonna download Fuck Me here. And paste it in, start reading, and you have to scroll down here because there are multiple pages in a Wattpad story. So if it had more pages, it would tell me that which page is page 2, page 3, and so on. Now you click this button right here, toggle reader view. You have your story right here ready to copy and paste into Word or anything you want to paste it in. Okay, now the second way is a little more complicated, but it's way more faster and way more easier. So you got to download this script right here. You need to download the latest version of Python to make this work. So once you downloaded this, you extract it and all that shit. You start the cmd and download these two tools here. So just copy it, paste it in, it downloaded. Second one, paste it in, and it's done. I already have it, so that's why it says this, but it's alright. And now you want to switch to drive C, drive D, or whatever drive you downloaded this in. You copy this out, CD space plus this. You change the directory now. And now you get your story. It's very important, only copy it until the number ends. So you copy it, put it right here, and get this command right here. And it already started downloading. Okay, so as you can see, it already downloaded all the pages, and you should have it right here in this folder, where all the things at the root folder, you would say. So this is the EPUB file. You have to put this in the converter if you wanna read it in a PC, but you can get this and put it on your iPhone, which I am gonna show right now. Okay, so get your email, and you want to send this to yourself. So just drag it in and send it. Okay, so now that you're on your phone, you go to your Mails app. I use Gmail. You get your book. It's really easy. And just go to books, and it's already there. It's that easy. Well, this is it. If you have any questions about this, use the comment section to ask me. Glad I could help. Bye.